So students, we were continuing with this. So enter old Gobo with the basket. That means Lancelot's father, and he comes with the basket. Gobo, Lancelot's father asks, Master young man, that means young gentleman, you, I pray you, I ask you, which is the way to Master's Jew? Which is the house of the Jew? Jew is the Shylock. Lancelot, aside, O heavens, this is my true begotten father. So he is my father who has given me life. True begotten means the one who has given me the life. Who being more than sand blind, sand blind. Who is more than half blind, high gravel blind. High gravel means you're completely blind. Knows me not. Does he recognize me? Okay, I will try confusion with him. So I will try to confuse him now. So he thought to just make some fun with his father. Gobo, Master young gentleman, I pray you, which is the way to Master Jews? So again he says, young man, I request you. Pray means your request. Which is the way to Master Jew, Shylock? Which is the way to Shylock's house? Lancelot, turn up your right hand at the next turning. So now he says, go to your right, turn up means go to your right hand and the next turning. So when the next turn will come, at the next turning of all, on your left. But at the next turn, when you will go to the next turn, again turn to left. Marry at very next turning, turn of no hand. So again he tried to confuse him by saying, but I say, at the very next turning, do not turn anywhere. Do not, no hand means do not turn anywhere. But turn down indirectly to the Jew house. But then go to the Jew's house. You will get the Jew's house. Gobo, by God's saints, by God's saint, Chewil. Chewil means this will be hard way to hit, hard way to find the way. Can you tell me whether one Lancelot that dwells with him? Dwells means live. Can you tell me whether Lancelot live with him? Dwell with him or no? Lives with him or not? Lancelot. Talk you of young Master Lancelot. Are you talking about the young Master Lancelot? Aside. Aside means again he is speaking to himself. Mark me now. So he's telling, look at me now. Now will I raise the waters? Now waters means here I'll bring the tears. Talk you of young Master Lancelot? So now he says, are you talking about young Master Lancelot? Gobo, no master, sir, but a poor man's son. What he said here, he said, are you talking about Master Lancelot? So Gobo says, no master, sir, but a poor man's son. Do not call him master. Here he said master, but Gobo, Lancelot's father says, don't call him master because he is poor man's son. His father, though I say it, is an honest. And his father is poor, and I am telling you that he is honest man, child. He is an honest man, exceeding poor man. In spite of being very poor, he is very honest. God be thanked, well to live. So he says, thank to God, he leads a good life. At present, he is serving to Shylock. Lancelot is serving to Shylock. Lancelot, well, let his father be what will. We talk of young Master Lancelot. So now he is telling Lancelot, well, let his father be whatever he is. Father jo bhi hai. We are talking about the young Lancelot. Gobo, your worship's friend, and Lancelot, sir. Yes, sir, I want to know about young Lancelot. Lancelot, but I pray you, request you, ask you, ergo an old man, ergo, I beseech you. Again, beseech means request you. Talk you of young Master Lancelot. So he's telling, that I ask you, are you talking about Master Lancelot? Gobbo of Lancelot, and please your mastership. So Gobbo says, yes, I'm talking about Lancelot, if you knows.